MUTUMIIRIA wa kanisa ya New Life NCHEERA Kilifi Pastor Ezekiel Ombok Odero akarara ndene KAIRI kwa NTUKU ijiri bubone nyuma ya koti ya Shanzu kaunti ya Mombasa kuhitate igambare ya muthinjiri ujuria UKURINGITHANUA na Paul MAKENZI kuga ikathikira igambare ya NTUKU ya ALAMAISI ya tariki 4 kurio AUKE. Pastor Ezekiel akarigirirwa gituone kia borithi kia poti ya Mombasa MWANKA ALAMAISI gwetera ugambi bwa koti.
Yes.
Finality.
Yeah. That the respondent shall be detained at Port Police Station, Mombasa for a period of 7 days, which period shall run from the 27th of April 2023, being the date that he was arrested and placed in police custody, and for avoidance of doubt, the detention period ordered herein shall lapse on the 4th of May 2023 at 0900 hours. I hope that is clear. B, that this matter shall be mentioned on the 4th of May at 9 in the morning for the state to appraise the court on the status of the investigations and for further orders.
As you can see, we are so many spiritual people, religious authorities which are here. We just came to be in solidarity with Pastor Ezekiel. Whatever is happening with Pastor Ezekiel is a common thing that everybody knows, and you can sense even in the country that the mood is that people have been patient enough, waiting to see how the ruling is going to be made, whether Ezekiel is going to be released, and that is our prayer and our desire. As spiritual authorities in the country, we wouldn't it look like the church is under persecution. We are not opposed to any investigations. The only thing we are opposing is what we are calling tacit persecution and affliction, whereby somebody is trying to connect Pastor Ezekiel with crimes against humanity, abduction, fraud,